My vision of traceability is to connect a physical product with a digital history, so to make information about the product, the history available to our customers. And to do storytelling about the production of the product and everything else. When we started with the program, we had a press conference and there was a fisherman and he said, I'm very proud, this is the first time that with ProTrace, our traceability solution, we are able to communicate directly to our customers. GS1 standards helps us a lot because our solution is based on global harmonized standards and GS1 standards. We are using barcodes, GS1 barcodes. We are using for our system the EPCIS standard to make things traceable and visible for our customers. So for us, it is a kind of community, it's a kind of alignment, which is very much important for, making traceability happen. GS1 helps us also to overcome challenges and roadblocks, because there we are together in a community, we are aligning attributes, we are aligning, let's say, techniques. So then it's always easier, to onboard suppliers and to have a community approach to make traceability happen.